Hi guys, welcome
Hi
to
guys!
my channel.
Challenge.
Today we're gonna do happening some pepero.
Pepper.
This is my little brother and let's open it. We're gonna open.
Open.
Yes. Okay, we're gonna open. This is the package.
Page.
And this is the box. Okay. Let's roll it out. Yeah. This is Harmony of Face Harmony.
Pengi ate. Pengi. Pengi ate. Pengi.
This is
Eh.
it's have almond and chocolate instead. First try. You first. Try one. Good or not?
Not
Good? Not.
good.
Second.
Mhm.
The awesome is the almond and the chocolate.
Chocolate
is the
eh?
best taste.
Pengi daw si
That is the best.
cookie. Balay to buwa.
We're gonna check if Mama buys again some pepperoni. We have another video that I don't know or not. We're gonna review some new pepera. It's have
Kain na,
it's a
kain mo na.
surprise.
Kain mo.
So awesome. That's one. That's one. Tama na pala. Paubos na akin na lang.
Dalawa.
Akin na lang ito. Hati tayo din eh. Okay.
Malaking akin.
So awesome.
Tingnan ko nga. Nam nam. Nam nam nam.
We're gonna please watch the War of the Gun. War of the Guns. The gun is this gun is the police and
Uy, ubus mo eh. Yan, naubos na.
this movie
Alam.
and 3, 2,
Alam din ako.
1. Heads up.